bit. What's going on here? Alright, so I'm just heading out with my buddy here. We're gonna go check out the location for the shoot tonight. And then we'll probably shoot around like 3:30, maybe 4-ish. Just because again we want to have like the blue hours effect in the video. So we're just gonna go check that out, see if the lighting's good, and also where to park is. But yeah, this camera is so sick. Look at this suit. Oh. Come say hi. Come say hi. He's a little bit shy. The guy. Come say hi. Oh, here we go. Yeah, no. Bye-bye.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Yo, I need a car wash, alright?
So deep, man.
Buddy, you just want to follow me around with a camera and see my lifestyle. Oh, Phil's house, there's spaghetti on the fucking floors.
Yo, load 360 for the viewers. Yo, chat went off. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm stepping on it.
No, it's fine. Good, except we kind of like,
yeah,
there's a little like
the second time it was a little
there's a little something going on.
a little pause.
I think Cam was anxiety's kicked in.
The social anxiety.
I don't think it was recording. I don't know.
But didn't I saw you press record? So like
I did, but like then I pressed it to stop it, and then
it like went again.
Oh my god, I'm gonna lose it. Cam, you're getting your daily exercise today.
Oh, ha ha.
Alright, so here's some of the clips we just got.